Welcome to AZO's virtual booth at RSNA2020. I'm Lisa Havener, Healthcare Business Development Manager, and I'll be talking about another one of AZO's solutions for multimodality reading. AZO's newest addition is the RX1270. It's a compact, feature-rich 30.9-inch 12-megapixel diagnostic monitor. It's designed with the radiologist's comfort and work efficiency in mind. The RX1270 has FDA clearance for both mammography and tomosynthesis. Although primarily designed for reading mammography and tomo, the RX1270 is also intended to be used for reading any PACS imaging. Multimodality monitors are not new to AZO. The RX1270 is AZO's third-generation monitor of this type. Because of the compact design of the RX1270, radiologists can switch out their standard dual-head 5MP monitors without having to give up any extra space. It's an easy, clean installation via desktop or arm mount due to the lightweight. Both DICOM and color images can be viewed side by side the way they are meant to be seen. AZO's hybrid gamma PXL function automatically shows monochrome images in DICOM and color images in gamma 2.2. AZO's unique work and flow technology assists with workflow complexity. Key functions of work and flow include hide and seek for quick information referencing, switch and go, this is the built-in KVM feature, point and focus for quick and easy targeted area focus, manual mode switch, image rotation plus, auto brightness switch, and the mouse pointer utility. AZO is known for the internal power supply in our monitors. The RX1270 is no exception. Our Japanese high quality is built into every unit. AZO's comfort light illuminates the wall behind the monitor without interfering with the low ambient lighting typical of reading rooms. The comfort light reduces the contrast between the wall and the monitor to prevent eye fatigue without creating glare on the screen. In addition, the spotlight allows you to see printed documents or your keyboard. It's easy to position for ideal lighting. Thank you for taking a look at the RX1270. For more information, please visit azo.com.